Welcome back to HAMSTER KOMBAT Daily Cipher. 1 million reward for June 20. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. By tapping your finger on earn per tap 3 times, the daily cipher will be activated and the hamster space will change to red color. Today's code is fork. The code for F is short tap plus long tap plus short tap. Code for O is 3 long tap. Code for OR is short tap plus long tap plus short tap. Code for K is long tap plus short tap plus long tap. Now you can get your 1 million combo by clicking Take the Prize button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.